Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Thank you guys for coming back to watch my videos. Guys, today we are going to bake potatoes. We are going to bake potatoes through a microwave. I told my sister that here in America some people bake potatoes in the microwave, and she was like, what? So guys, I'm gonna show you how to bake the potatoes through a microwave. Okay, so for the first thing guys, I'm gonna show you what I have my potatoes. I have big potatoes right here, and I have my, of course, a knife, I need it, and I have my butter, I have my pepper, I have my salt, some cheese, and of course my oil. And this one it's new, this one I'm gonna use it to clean my potatoes. And of course I need a fork right here. All right, so guys, I'm gonna go right ahead and clean these potatoes really nice. I'm gonna scrub them and make them look clean. I'll show you the difference when I'm done cleaning them, because we want to eat something clean. Look at that, nice and clean. All right, and then I'm gonna clean the other one. All done. All done. Okay, I'm gonna dry them. I'm gonna dry them using this paper towel. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the plate. So now guys, I'm going to use my fork here, and I'm gonna poke the potatoes. I'm gonna poke them. This helps a lot because of the moisture. You don't have to do it so deep. You can, it depends with the size of your potato. Okay, and the other one. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to put them in the microwave. I'm gonna put 6 minutes to start with, and then after 6 minutes I'm gonna add some more 6 minutes after turning them, and then we shall see how it goes guys. Let's wait for 6 minutes guys and see how it's gonna go. So guys, before I turn them and they hot, I'm gonna apply some oil right here. Okay, very hot. Okay guys, so I'm gonna return them, and we're gonna wait for other 5 minutes. So guys, our potatoes are here and they feel cooked all through. You can use a fork to check. Good. So guys, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna use the knife and I'm gonna make a cut right here. I'm gonna use just one potato. Just make a cut and like that, and then you press the potato. It's hot, very hot, be careful. You press it like that. Ooh, it's very hot guys, and you can see how it is. It's all cooked through. You can see. I'm going to get this like that, and then guys, I'm gonna add some little salt, and then I'm going to add some cheese, here, and some butter, okay, and some butter. Like that. And some pepper, because I like pepper. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 25 seconds so that the butter can melt and the cheese. Guys, here is our potato right here. Nice, very nice, and it smells good. And I'm gonna give it a bite. It's very hot, very, very hot. I'm gonna give it a bite, guys. I'm gonna add some little pepper here. Yeah, there you go. It's so nice, guys, and hot. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Give it a try. At least now my sister knows how you can bake a potato using a microwave. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.